In order to add or modify content on your blog, you have to log into WordPress.com. You might already be logged in if you just completed the registration process, or you might have left off at a login screen like the one showing here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in from the login screen and also how to log in from the WordPress.com homepage. So from the login screen, it's pretty straightforward. What they want to know here is your username and password. So I'm going to click in this box and type in Springfield. It actually knows from another time we typed it in. And then the password, test123. If you turn on this Remember Me checkbox, you will not have to log in again. It will automatically remember you. It'll remember your user ID and your password so that every time you go to your blog, it'll automatically log you in. Every time you go to WordPress.com, it'll log you in. It does this through cookies with your web browser. If you are working on a shared computer, a computer that's accessed by a bunch of other people, maybe it's in a public place or maybe it's a shared computer at your workplace, you probably don't want to turn this checkbox on. But I am going to turn the checkbox on for now, and then I'm going to click Login. Firefox asks if it wants me to remember the password, and I'm going to click Remember in this time so it remembers it in Firefox too. Again, you would not do that in your web browser on a shared computer, only a computer that's your computer. When you log in, you see the WordPress.com dashboard, and you're going to use the dashboard throughout your time with WordPress to add content to it, to modify your blog, to change the way your blog looks, and do all kinds of things. So I'm not going to go into detail about it now. I just want to show you how to log in and how to log out. You're logged in. You know that you're logged in because up here it says Springfield K6 School. That's your username here. And also you've got this gray bar up here that's got information and buttons and links that you can access different things to work with your blog. What I'm going to do here now is log out so I can show you another way you can log in. And this time I'm going to show you how you can log in from the WordPress.com homepage. So let's go there. I've got a bookmark for it. We're back on the WordPress.com homepage. We know that we're not logged in because, first of all, the sign up button is here, and that would not appear if you were logged in. And also there's a login area over here. So you can enter your username and password in this area here to log in under Already Hip. So we'll type that in. It already knows this again, so I'll just take this little shortcut here. And I'm going to type in test123. That's our password. And again, I can turn on Remember Me if this is my only computer, and I'll do that here and log in, and I'll remember that here in Firefox as well. Now what we've done here is we've logged in from the WordPress.com homepage, so it's not going to show us our dashboard. Instead, it's going to show us the WordPress.com homepage, but we're logged in. The way we know that we're logged in, first of all, is that big sign up button disappeared. This gray bar up here that gives you access to your blogs appears, so you can use that. It also shows your username here. Our username is a little bit long, so it doesn't quite fit in here, and gives you access to other blogs that you might have created and lets you create another blog. So we're logged in also from here. Another way to log out is if you go up to the My Account menu on that gray bar here, you'll see that there's a whole bunch of options, and one of them is the log out option, so you can log out. If you remember, we told it to remember us in Firefox, so that's why the username is already in here. So once it's already in here, if we wanted to log back in, we could. So as you can see, logging in and out is pretty straightforward. If you tell WordPress.com to remember you, every time you go to the WordPress.com homepage from the same computer, WordPress may automatically log you in. If you told your web browser to remember your user ID and password, even if WordPress doesn't log you in, your browser might already provide the user name and password information you need to really speed up that process. The other thing that you need to keep in mind here is that because WordPress.com is a web-based service, you can log into your WordPress.com blog from any computer anywhere in the world that has internet access. That means you can access your blog while you're on the road or while you're home or in your office at work.